Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to add music to your Pinterest pins. So first open the Pinterest app and make sure you're signed in. Now tap the create or plus button and choose the option to create a new pin. Now from here, select the photos or videos you want to add. And once your content is loaded, look for the available editing or audio option. If Pinterest provides a music or audio features for your account and pin format, then tap the music option and browse the available tracks. Then choose a song that fits your content and select the section of the track you want to use. Then preview your pin to make sure the audio and video are synchronized correctly. Then add your title, description, and any other details you want. Then choose the appropriate board and publish your pin when everything looks good. Now you need to keep in mind that music features can vary by country, account, content type, and Pinterest app version. So if you don't see a music option, then you need to update Pinterest and check whether the feature is available for your country. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.